Now that we have our pendulum drawn, we need to set a few things so that it swings properly from left to right. The first thing you want to do is click on your transform tool right below the little running man in your toolbar. It's this little box. Click on the transform tool. And we have to move this pivot point. Now, I don't want you to do what I'm going to show you right here. If we were going to leave the pivot point there and we move our cursor just to the outside corner, we try to swing it, notice that the pivot point is making us swing this pendulum from the center. We want it to swing from up here at the very top. But when we try to do this, moving the pivot point up to the top, we're going to run into a little problem here because when I try to grab it, I'm moving these guides. So what you're going to do is go up to View, come down to Alignment Guides, and then click on the checkbox that says Show Alignment Guides. So we're going to hide it now by unchecking it. Now that you've done that, you can click on your pivot point and bring that right to the top, right on that line, maybe a little bit off. There we go. And now you'll see that you can swing it from the correct pivot point. But we do want those guides back. So go ahead, click on View, click on Alignment Guides, then click on Show Alignment Guides. It's back. And then come down to the outer right-hand corner. You're going to go right to that corner there and then move your cursor just off it so it changes to those little arcing arrows. And then we could click and drag that off to the left, just where the top of that your ball hits the alignment, the center horizontal alignment guide right there. In the next video, we're going to extend our timeline and start animating.